So I was in the middle of making breakfast and somebody wanted to join mama while daddy takes a nap. He just got home from work, so he's taking a quick nap while we vlog for the day. So if you're interested in our vlog, stay tuned. And if you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell on the side to get notifications on when I post new videos. And for the rest of you, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Now let's get started. I just made a breakfast wrap with bacon, eggs, cheese, and ketchup, and I had a side of OJ. Kade already had his breakfast, so he is in his bouncer. He's been loving this jumper so much lately. I put him in there for a while, usually no more than like 45 minutes while I either cook or I film videos or I'm editing videos. So I'll have him there for a while, and then I switch between his swing, and we just got his walker a couple of days ago, so now I do put him in there and he absolutely loves it. So in this portion of my vlog, I'm actually showing you guys how I make my rice and beans. And I first started with washing my white rice. I poured it into the boiling water. I added my salt, my oil, all the necessities that I need to make rice, which is very basic. Oil and salt is usually what I put into it. And then in the pot right in front, I put a little bit of oil, some onions, some green peppers, and I let that saute for a little bit. And then I'll add garlic, the beans themselves, and my own favorite seasonings. I know a lot of people like to use sofrito. I didn't have at the time because quarantine, but I do add my own seasonings, oregano leaves, adobo, and garlic powder. So those are what I add to them. I just mix it all up and let them get really soft. I do add a little bit of water just so that they can boil up a little bit, but yeah, I let them get really soft. And then after about like 20-25 minutes, I go in and I flip my rice just to make sure that it's starting to cook properly. And you already know the trick. If your spoon can stand up straight, that means that it has a good amount of water in it. So yeah, thumbs up for that. And then I go and cover it again, check on my beans, they are boiling. And then I have my sausages in the oven, and I made squash for my son. I wanted to try it for the first time with him, and let me tell you guys that he absolutely loved them. He ate them like fries. So yeah, I ended up having the rest of it, but he ate them like fries and he absolutely loved this. I did make Kade's dinner. After I finished boiling my beans, I made him carrots. I boiled it, and then on the side I did make him rice and beans in the baby billet, just so that he could have a little bit of like what we're eating minus the sausage, because I feel like it has way too much grease. So later on in the day, I did do my workout in the living room. I am starting out, so I am kind of rusty. My push-ups look kind of crazy. My sit-ups are and then I did do squats, but I didn't really like the angle that it was recording when I was doing my squats, so I didn't add that. But I do a lot of ab workouts, push-ups and squats, just to get my body accustomed to working out most of the days of the week.
The next morning.
So I had to get my camera for this because look at what my dog did to my carpet that I put out yesterday. Like, why would you do that? Why? Ugh. So yeah, quick voiceover because my husband had music playing in the background. But this is my breakfast for today. Some coffee, bagels with cream cheese, and hard salami. So after I had breakfast, I had signed up for a coding workshop. So that's what I'm doing with Kade here. I am drinking my coffee and getting into this coding class because it seemed really interesting, and it was something that I used to do with MySpace like many years ago. So I figured, why not get back into it now? Before I started my coding class, while everyone was signing in, I just gave Kade his breakfast. I keep going in between voiceovers because I forget that we usually play music most of the day, and I'm not trying to get copyrighted. But I'm just here checking on Kade's laundry. This little washer has saved my life because I hate washing his clothes in like shared or public laundromats. So this is like perfect right in my bathroom. And of course, dinner tonight is fried plantains and chicken. Oh, I was so excited for this. Like, you guys don't understand. I haven't had fried plantains in so long. It's still sunny outside, so what I did was I just finished editing the previous video while I had dinner. I had dinner pretty early. It was around like 6 p.m. when I had dinner. So that's that. And I had Kade playing on his playmat with his toys and stuff just so that he could stay entertained and have his own type of fun. And then the last thing that I did after that, when my husband got home, was that I took my dogs out just to play for a little bit in the backyard, so they could get some fresh air because it was still really nice out and the weather was really nice. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like vlog style videos, then please like this video and comment down below what do you like about them and what do you guys want to see next. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell on the side for notifications on new videos. Follow me on Instagram so that we can stay connected. Thank you guys so much for tuning in.